likely formation here?
Well, if flexibility doesn't have an influence on this system, we truly are looking at an approach that is quite negative. But at least there is good scope to turn a seemingly deep-line defence into a more dangerous attacking outfit. This system will allow plenty of attacking numbers without necessarily compromising on that discipline.
So we're up and running. Just brushed off the ball there. All needed to be better there, it's a wasted chance. Plays it over to the other flank. Well, the ball's come loose and the chase is on. Out to the right. He's made sure that that won't get through. Good ball, and the shot! And he just whacks it away. Aimed in towards the centre. Up towards the front line. No way through there. Still just a single goal between the sides. Shot at goal! Back of the net! And there's the goal they've been looking for.
Looking back at that, that's how you play on the counter. Quick and decisive and ruthless with the finish. I thought it was a stunning breakaway.
So that's two now without reply.
That second goal has such a polarising effect on prospective moods. I mean, one team are under more pressure now to get the next goal, and the other will...
He's not played the ball, that's a foul. Looks a foul. Yep, referee's given it.
Well, I think the alternative was to stand there and do nothing while he tried to score, and obviously he's not going to allow that, Peter, is he?
Well, you might think he got off lightly. It is just a verbal warning. Superb! That is a gem! An absolute gem! Back to within one! Interesting! Dispatched expertly, nicely done. We have got ourselves a game here.
Well, I think they probably needed an early goal in this half just to give them the confidence and belief to push on and look for an equaliser.
Pings it out wide. Tries to get it forward quickly. Now a chance to break. Hoists it forward. Just about up to the hour now. Well, that goal really has stirred things up. The cat right amongst the pigeons now.
Yeah, Peter, the cushion is gone, and it may get a little bumpier over the next few minutes, but it doesn't have to mean a momentum switch. If they can gather themselves quickly, they could hit back.
It's a decent-looking cross. And that's sprayed out wide. Gets it back.
That's really good energy being shown by some of those forwards out there, keeping that defence honest.
Yep, can see that.
And winning the ball in those kind of positions is the best thing they can do.
Out towards the flank, back into the middle, battles to win it back. Now the counter. Oh, well intercepted, really alert to the danger. Gorgeous control there. Gets it into the middle. Knocks it away. And it's played forward. Yeah, it's been intercepted, and that will come to nothing.